everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have an opening from Capgemini and Capgemini to discuss in this video. So let's see in detail everything, the eligibility criteria, deadline, CTC, everything in detail. So if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable this option all so that you will get notified when we upload any kind of videos. Especially coming to hiring videos, it is very important that you get to know at the time that I present, because it will be having deadline. You have to register before the deadline, so you may miss to register, so we don't want you to miss any kind of opportunity available. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on to it. So first we have an opening from Service Desk Capgemini, then CS Kolkata, 3-year graduate hiring. So it is basically for 2020 and 21st passed out batches who belong to any kind of 3-year graduation. So if your specialization is different also, it's completely fine. Any 3-year graduates can try applying to this position. Okay, no specialization is a mandatory criteria here. And the last day to apply for this is on 4th of December. So please do try applying before that to make use of this opportunity. So coming to the CTC provided, it's 2,50,000 per annum provided. So now job description. So in job description, if you just go through, you'll get to understand the main thing that you are handling is the customer care. I mean, you are a help desk guy, so executive. So you must be providing the solutions for their problems and troubleshooting. So everything over the voice-based phone call service, and also monitoring. You can see that support customers across telecommunication, financial services, healthcare, and technology vertical. Then meet customer requirements through first contact resolution, then understand them and provide resolutions for them. So this is the basic thing. Okay, not taking care of any technical thing, not taking care of any commercial thing alone, not some medical thing alone. It's just a thing which any graduates can try out it here. Okay, so whoever would like to try for this job, then this is particularly for you. You can try to that. Now, desired skills will be you must have, since you are the main tool of doing this job is communication, you should always have a good communication, excellent communication, English speaking skills. It means that you must be able to communicate with them in the medium, like in the language, using language English. That's completely fine. You don't need to be a great profession or should have a great accent to talk with them. Okay, now would have good interpersonal skills and ability to perform under pressure. You must be available 24/7 environment and should have a basic computing skills. Then so there will be a service agreement, but they have not defined like this is still up to this much years. So if you are ready to go for the service agreement too, you might. So mostly service agreement to span for 2 years. So not sure regard like with respect to this, but this job is having a service agreement too. Now, qualification criteria is, as mentioned earlier, it's a graduation. Those who have completed graduation, 2020 and 21st students are eligible in here. And 10th, 12th and graduate, like in graduation, you must have 55% or above throughout your studies. So that's what the percentage criteria is. And you must be available for the night shift, and you must be able to, like available to relocate. Okay, that's it. So they want immediate joinees. That's why they are supporting for 2020 and 21st, because they are currently the latest batch as well as the passed out batches. Okay, so that's it. And one more disclaimer that they have put forward here is that once you apply, they'll go through your profiles, and only some of the selected candidates will have the opportunity to go through the selection process. Okay, so it is very important that you must belong to all the 3 years. I mean, you must satisfy to all the eligibility criteria mentioned, and just customize your resume with respect to the job description and the eligibility criteria they have mentioned to ensure that you get selected for the assessment or you get selected for the selection process. Okay, so that's about it. And now to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and continue with the application process. So before that, I would like to introduce, or I would like to inform you something from our part, that we have an aptitude and reasoning class which is going out 27th. It started, but only the introduction part kind of things have got order. If you still wish to make the application, then you can enroll to that even now. You can go with the link that I've mentioned in the description and apply for the same. So the main agenda or main content of this class will be TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Accenture. 10 years question paper discussion. So if you just go through the online assessment of these companies, you'll get to understand the syllabus or the pattern of the assessment, online assessment. So if you could know that, if you have the shorthand tricks to crack there, then obviously you can easily crack the online assessment. So that will be the main outcome of this session. So this is about end of by 11th of December, and the timing will be 7 to 8 p.m. And whole of this package is available to you at just rupees 199. The recordings, materials, live Q&A sessions, doubt clearing sessions, everything. Okay, so make use of these kind of opportunities and learn well, and after that attend the online exam successfully. Okay, so the link will be there in the description. You can get it from there and enroll to the same. So now let's move on to the application process. So you click on to the apply now, and you have to give your mail ID. So if you have already registered to Superset, you can just, log in. Okay, you can just log in and use the same application and click on the apply now. So if you have not registered to that, I'll show you how you can go through the application process. So first you need to enter your mail ID and go for the next process. So these are the steps that you have to take care of for the application in Superset. So first will be the basic details. You have to fill your personal information, your contact details and everything, and go for the next section. Next section will be your contact details, or your contact, your permanent address, current address, all the things we need to fill it out. And will be the current or most recent education, that is a graduation details. They have clearly mentioned it is for the 3-year graduates passed out in 2020 and 21. So that is one of the criteria to make sure it in here. And next will be the previous education, that is 10, 12, diploma, whatever. You need to give your marks, then the board of your examination and everything. So internship and work experience, if you have an internship or work experience, you can provide that as well. So a month and where do you work and all these details you need to provide. Next comes the profile photo and documents. That will be, you need to upload a profile photo. So basically, I would suggest you to go for a plain white background. If you don't have a plain white background for your photo, there are immense tools available across the internet to change your background, to make your photo look very professional. Make use of those kind of tools and convert it into a professional photo and upload it in here. And resume part 2, update your resume with respect to the job opening available and apply it in here. Okay, so once you complete all the selection process, you are good to go. You can apply, you'll get to apply for this job available. Okay, so this is how you need to register for this job. So soon after you watch this video, please make sure you go with the link, you apply to the same, and just have a look at the mails. Okay, because they'll send the mail shorter or later, sooner or later they'll send the mail regarding the online assessment. So please to have a look at your application. Okay, so now we have. So if you have any further doubts regarding any of the things that I have mentioned, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video will come in the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.